Hey guys, what up? It's your boy Jackie Moto, and today I'm riding on the quad and I saw some kid riding a dirt bike out back. I wonder where he's at. I wanted to ride a dirt bike. I see him right now. Oh my god, he's ripping. How am I gonna catch him? Yo! There he is. I see his cloud. Where is he? There he is. Looks pretty cool. Better catch up to him. Yo! Hey bro, what up?
What's up, man?
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Yo, nice bike.
You like it?
Yo, how'd you find out about this place?
House right down the hill.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice.
Where you from?
I'm from around the area.
That's cool.
Yeah. Nice bike, bro.
Yeah.
It looks pretty new. What brand is it?
KO 140.
KO.
Enough, not too much. Jap brand.
It's Japanese?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
What's that? 500?
Yeah. This is a scrambler.
Huh?
Yeah, it's sick, right?
Fully automatic, huh?
Yeah. Yo, I always wanted a dirt bike, bro.
Got 2 dirt bikes. Could always use a quad.
You want to trade for a few?
I don't know. This thing's pretty new. What is it? A 5, like you said?
This is a 500.
The other dirt bike's not as in good a shape as this one. But you know what? Let me rip it around for a second.
You want to ride it?
Yeah.
I want to ride that thing real bad, dude. If you like this, I'll trade.
Yeah. Let's see. Let me see what it's got. Let me see how good it feels.
All right. Show me how to rip this.
Down. Down. Neutral.
All the way down
4
neutral.
up.
4 up.
There's your clutch.
Clutch.
Front brake. Back brake. Push the start.
You don't mind me riding it?
No.
This thing's
yours.
Yeah, this thing's easy, dude. All it is just gas and go.
Gas and go.
And it's got a, reverse and stuff.
Electric start.
Electric start.
All right.
There it goes.
Yeah, you know what? I wanted a quad, but you know what? They're a lot
Boom.
more expensive.
Does this have electric start?
Yeah.
What's that?
Yellow start, red stop.
All right.
I'll take it down, you take it up. I'll meet you back here.
All right. Don't go far. All right. What the hell is this thing? KO. Have any of you guys ever heard of KO? I never heard of KO, but it's shiny. KO 140. All right. Oh, easy. Whoa! Whoa! This thing rips. Oh man, my scrambler is way faster than this though. Oh. This thing is kind of cool though. Whoa! How do you wheelie on this? My boy Tommy can wheelie on a bike really good. Probably got to be in like first gear or something. Whoa, I can't do that. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool. I kind of like their bikes. Where's he going with my quad though? I better find that. Where'd he go? Yo! Yo, what happened, my boy? Oh, you hit the kill switch?
Yeah. Where's the electric?
You gotta, here, I'll show you. It's got a kickstand.
This thing's got way more power than that. Oh my god.
Dude,
It's rear wheel drive?
I like this thing a lot. Which one? This?
Yeah.
All wheel.
All wheel.
Oh, no, this one.
Oh, up on
You
the
just
red.
flick up.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there you go. Yo, you want to race?
Yeah, let's go up to the flats up there.
All right, word. Dude, dirt bike. Whoa! Wow, I really like the way my quad looks though. I can't really do those burnouts with this. Oh my god, I'm so dusty. Where is he? KO, huh? The heck is this? Race over here. Alright, just go straight. Wait, let me see if I'm in first. Alright. Yep. Ready? Oh my god, he's blowing me away. Whoa! I got smoked. Hold up, bro. Nah. Hold up. I kinda want that thing back, dude.
I don't know, man. I thought you wanted to make a trade.
I don't know, dude.
The new dirt bike.
I know it's new, but
It's all beat up.
yeah, it's not that beat up. It's kind of new. I got it for free. My dad will be pissed.
I don't know.
I gotta use that thing for chores, dude. I gotta carry wood.
Trade then.
I don't know. I just saw a dirt bike and I was like, jump the gun, dude. Yo, wait.
Take the frickin' thing, alright?
Yo, I
You're lost, man. Whatever.
dude, I'm really sorry, bro.
Right.
My bad.
It's alright,
You want to ride together, though?
yeah, let's go.
All right.
Don't come and ask me to trade again, no.
All right, I won't. My bad.
It's alright.
I really like it, though.
Let's go rip up by the houses.
All right, let's go. Oh, thank God I didn't trade. Yo, lead the way. The lady always yells. Where's he going? Hey. Sorry.
What the hell are you guys doing?
Just riding by.
Go back and forth.
Sorry. Yo, chill, bro. Sorry. I just met him out in the...
Kids around here, you know.
Yeah, alright, my bad.
Okay, you're bad. Get out of here.
Alright, sorry about that. Oh, jeez. I hope she doesn't call the cops. Where'd he go? Oh, I see his cloud. I'm gonna catch up to him. Woo! Oh my gosh, I just drifted that whole way. That lady was screaming at us. Where do you live?
Over here on the left.
You literally live right here? Yo, I'm gonna head out of here though.
Alright, man.
Let's ride again sometime. Alright, nice to meet you too.
Alright, bro.
This kid is crazy. Just burned out in front of that lady, dude, while she was yelling at us. Alright guys, so thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.